Morning students. Last class we see the first lesson book work, isn't it? Today we see the first lesson classwork. Okay. All are take on separate note for classwork, science classwork. All are take separate note for science classwork. I think all are having unruled note, isn't it? Yes. First take one note. Okay. One note for science. First put the margin. First put the margin. Okay. Below the margin you write unit 1 measurement. Unit 1 measurement. You write in a capital letter. Caps. Measurement. Okay. Unit 1 measurement. Okay. Now leave some space and write Roman letter 1. Answer the following. Answer the following. Yes. Leave some space and write the first question. Yes. What is measurement? What is measurement? Yes. You put the question mark here. Okay. Give some space. Here itself you start. Don't start here. Okay. So don't start the beginning of the paper. Okay. The half of the paper you write the answer first. Okay. So this like you write. Answer. Measurement is the process of. Measurement is the process of process. Process of finding an unknown physical quantity. Unknown physical quantity. Physical quantity. Quantity. Yes, unknown physical quantity by using a standard quantity. Standard quantity. Yes, all are first all are put the origin and write unit 1 measurement. Okay, below that you write one answer the following. Below that write the first question. Okay, after finishing the first question, you put one line. Take a scale and pencil and draw one line. Put one line. Okay. Then only it is easiest for you. Then only it is clarity. Okay. And clear for you. Okay. Now next write the second question. Name some common system of measurement. Name some common systems of measurement. Yes, measurement. Okay, right here you write the answer. Half of the line you write the answer. Some common systems of measurement. Okay. All are follow me. Yes. First one is FBS. Write in caps. FBS. Okay, next. Write small dash and write system. And draw the open bracket. Foot, F-O-O-T, foot for length. I put a comma and pound for mass. Okay, I put one comma and second for time. And second for time. Second for time. Okay. And close the bracket also. Close the bracket. Okay. Next. I think all are right the first question. Yes, the continuity of the second question and right here. Second one is CGS. Right, small dash and system. Draw the open bracket and centimeter. Centimeter for length. Put a comma. Next, gram for mass. Gram for mass. Put a comma. A second for time. Second for time and close the bracket. Next, the third one, MKS. The system, meter for length. Next, kilogram for mass. Comma. Second for time. Close the bracket. That's all the second question. Okay. Next, write the third question. Write the second question here. Next, define temperature. Define temperature. Here is start the answer. Temperature is a measure of average kinetic energy. Temperature is a measure of average kinetic energy. Average kinetic energy of your particle of your system, of your particle, of the particles in a system. In a system is define temperature. A temperature is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the particles in a system. Yes. We move to the fourth question. Move to the fourth question. Question number 4. What is electric current? What is electric current? Put the question mark. Write the answer. The magnitude. The magnitude of an electric current of the magnitude of the electric current is the amount of electric charge is the amount of electric charges flowing through a conductor in 1 second. In 1 second. What is electric current? The magnitude of an electric current is the amount of electric charges flowing through the conductor in 1 second. Okay. Next, write the fifth question. What are the differences between plane angle and solid angle? Plane angle and solid angle. Yes, they are asking a difference. Okay, so we need to draw the box. Okay, then only need for you. Okay, draw the line. Okay, this is for serial number, and you separate the note into 2. Okay, this is the page, this is the page, you divide the note into 2, this side and this side. Okay, 2 columns. Okay, here you draw the serial numbers. Okay, so you divide the 2. Okay, and then draw this line. Okay, this is for heading. Okay, this one writes a plane angle. Here you write here solid angle. Okay, this is serial number S.N.O. Okay, here first point. Angle between the intersection. Angle between the intersection of 2 lines or lines. Okay, this is the first point. And this in the side write the first point. Angle between the intersection of 3 or more planes. 3 or more planes at a common point. If you important point, key points means in that points only you write in black letter. Okay, so in this point, which one is the important point means intersection of two lines. This is the important. So this one only you write in black letter. It is this neat and whenever you take a note, that point only focus on that point. Okay, so in this point, the intersection of three or more planes. This is the important point. Okay, in this point only you can write in a black letter. Okay, focus will on this line. Okay, here you see means the magnitude of the electric current. Which one is the important point means the amount of electric charges are flowing through the conductor in 1 second. This is the important point. This is the key point. Okay, this is very important point. So you should write in bracket. Otherwise, you draw the line below the words. Okay. Okay. So now we write the second point. It is the two-dimensional. It is two-dimensional. Here the important point is two-dimensional. Dimensional. Okay. Here it is three-dimensional. Okay, now I am writing the third point here. Okay, there is no space, so I am writing the third point here. So the third point is the unit. Unit is a radian. The unit is a radian. Here the unit is steradian. The unit is steradian. Okay. That's all the third question. You close the bracket, close the tabular column. Okay. That's all. Answer the following. The next Roman letter is answer in detail. The next Roman letter is answer in detail. Okay. Write the question. Write here short note on different types of class. Types of class. Okay. Write the answer. Types of class based on display. There are two types. One is analog clock. The another one is a digital clock. Okay, this is the question. Write a short note on different types of class. Answer: types of class based on this display. There are two types: analog class and digital class. Yes, first one is analog clock. Yes. It looks looks like a classical clock. It looks like a classical clock. It has 3 hands. It has 3 hands to show the time. To show the time. To show the time. Okay. Another clock. It looks like a classical clock. It has 3 hands to show the time. Okay. First, ask hand. Okay, it is short. It is short and thick. And thick. It shows arm. It shows arms. It is short and thick. It shows arms. Okay. The second thing, minutes hand. It is long and thin. It is long and thin. This long and thin, it shows minute. It shows minutes. Okay. The third one is second hand. It is long and thin. It is long and thin. It is long and very thin. Very thin. It shows second. It shows second. It makes one rotation. It makes one rotation in 1 minute. And 60 rotation in 1 hour. And 60 rotation in 1 hour. Okay, next. Another class can be given either mechanically or electronically. Mechanically or electronically. The second one is digital clock. Okay, first point, a digital clock display the time directly. Display the time directly. It shows the time. Shows the time in. It shows the time in numerical or other symbols. It may have a here I'm writing it may have a 12 hours or 24 hours or 24 hours display. Okay. Next, the second point. Recent flags or showing date, comma date, comma month, comma year, comma temperature, etc. Next one is the third point. Digital flag. Digital flags are often called as electronic flag. Often called electronic flags. Different types of flag. Different types of flags based on working mechanism. First one is quartz flag. The first point, these flags are activated by electronic oscillations which are okay. 12 hours or 24 hours display. Recent flags are showing date, month, year, temperature, etc. Digital flags are often called as an electronic flag. Different types of flags are based on the working mechanism. Quartz flag. These flags are activated by electronic oscillations which are controlled by a quartz crystal. which are controlled by a quartz crystal. Okay, next the second point, the frequency. The frequency of a vibrating crystal, frequency of a vibrating crystal is very okay, so that the quartz clamp, so the quartz clamp is more accurate than the mechanical clamp. Next, third point. This clamp have one accuracy of 1 second in every 10 to the power of 9 seconds. Okay. So which are controlled by the quartz crystal. The frequency of your vibrating crystal is very precise, so that the quartz clamp is more accurate than the mechanical clamp. This clamp can have one accuracy of 1 second in every 10 to the power of 9 seconds. Okay. Next, the last one is the atomic clamp. Atomic clamp. Atomic clamp. The first point, this clamp are making use. These clamps are making use of periodic vibration. Periodic vibration occurring within the atom. Okay, atomic clock. This clock are making use of periodic vibration occurring within the atom. Next one is the second point. These clocks have an accuracy of 1 second. Accuracy of 1 second in every 10 to the power of 13 seconds. Okay, next one is the third point. Atomic clock are used in global positioning system, GPS. Okay, next one is satellite, global navigation, satellite system. That is GLONASS. Satellite and system. Okay. And international time distribution service. Yes, atomic clock. This clock are making use of periodic vibration occurring in the atom. This clock have an occurrence of 1 second in every 10 to the power of 13 second. Atomic clock are used in global positioning system, that is GPS, global navigation satellite system, that is GLONASS. Okay, and international time distribution service. Okay, that's all this detail. These are the questions for the first lesson. All are write neatly in the classwork note. Okay, first lesson question answer is finished. Okay, all are write neatly. Thank you, student. We will meet next class.